Hello, it's Austin with DS Diving. I'm on the boat Stacy. It is September 18, 2023. This is a video, plus a little bit of a video on this cable I'm about to show you right now. So, I've been fighting this thing for the past couple times, trying to get it cleaned and then working on it. Found it silly, but I found out what the deal is. There's a piece of wire broken off inside of the piece on the trim tab where the wire connects into. So we gotta just find a piece of cable, re-crimp everything. I took it all off and then finally seen inside of there it was all broken off in there. So we'll have a better look at it down there, but let's get the after video and then look at this piece, and then we'll go from there. Once again, always a pleasure. Thank you for choosing DS Diving.